When we first walked into this home, it was a complete mess. Severe water damage. The house was basically unlivable. That's when Brightside Restoration stepped in. They handled all the hard stuff, the demolition, the flood cuts, the mitigation. Instead of leaving behind chaos, they left everything in perfect shape for the next stage. Straight lines, clean cuts, a space that was safe and ready for the rebuild. And that's when LPS Direct took over. Our team came in and rebuilt it from the ground up. New structure, new finishes, updated layout. Every detail carefully put back together until the home was not just repaired, but completely transformed. By the end, what started as a total disaster was turned into a home the family could be proud of again. This is exactly what happens when Brightside Restoration and LPS Direct work together. Flawless mitigation followed by expert rebuild. Taking the worst situations and delivering results that are truly second to none.